I don't know what that one's gonna do. But we're gonna try that one out, Brandon.
What you doing, Tony?
I'm about to go to jail is what I'm doing.
Oh,
Wait,
man.
I'm getting fucking malaria.
God, there's mosquitoes everywhere.
Jesus Christ, dude. These motherfuckers are eating me up. I swear to God, this is not good for my health or anything, or my career, because I shouldn't probably be doing this. Here, give me that one.
That's the one going out the back of the truck.
Nope, we're going to shoot the small one.
Okay.
So, we're going to shoot this one. Out the back of a truck. Listen to what we just said. That makes no sense. We're going to do it. Brandon, I swear to God, I'm getting ate up right now.
Yeah, these mosquitoes are horrible. Come on, we gotta hurry and ride that way. Get that wick up. You got it?
Alright, where's this one? The fuse.
We don't know what that one does.
We're going to shoot it. Oh. You see a fuse?
No. Is it on top right there under that little silver?
It says fuse.
Oh.
I guess that would be
They
it.
all go up at once.
That one's going to get a little cray. Pray for us.
Alright, hey.
Go dogs.
That one's going fast.
What the fuck, going?
Oh my God.
Tops are out.